Hey guys, so it's part 2 of Animal Hospital here. Sorry, it's Sophia here. Welcome. It's part 2 of Animal Hospital. My sister will be joining us. And she's gonna talk to you really quick. I just talk to the viewers. Talk to the viewers.
Hi. So, you are all probably thinking where's Sophia going, but she's just grabbing some stuff.
Sorry, I was just closing my door.
I have to do this.
Oh, you're fine.
Let me hold it down. Okay. Yay.
Just try not to move your tablet as much.
Here, how about this? And this. Here, hold it down. Like this.
Here, I'll just play like this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so she's
Yeah, but then
just about to join.
I'll do this. Okay,
She's just about to join, so I will pause the recording until she gets in, and we'll see you on like shift 2.
like in the game.
See ya!
Have it.
What?
Dang.
What?
You don't have it.
No, I don't.
What do I look like? What do I look like? Oh, I look like the nurse. Dang.
Alright guys, so we are recording, actually on shift 1, so I changed my mind. Lucas Finn. Wanna go?
Follow me, sir.
By the way, guys,
Skipper.
always remember to, not forcing, but remember to like and subscribe at the end of this video if you like it. Like I said, I'm not forcing you to, but make sure to like and subscribe to help me get to 5 subscribers, or even 10, because I'm actually thinking of doing a face reveal. I'm thinking of doing a face reveal at 5 subscribers, so. Let's move for a second. Alright. Let's go!
We should be in well, like we're playing Avatar together.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah. Wait, should we do a main character like Sophie? Welcome to Cherry Pop Production. Cherry.
That's called an intro, and yeah, I just did. Oh. Sorry about that. We're just talking about thinking of an intro. I don't know how to edit though.
You could do this. Like subscribe if you love this video. Bye. Wait, and Cherry has those like cherries and it goes.
Yeah, that's called an intro and an outro. I don't know how to do that. Maya, can you move? Ooh, sorry. We'll see. Oh my god, guys, Rathu is Canadian. I never knew that. He needed maple syrup because it probably said Canadian. Didn't it say Canadian on the screen? Did it say Canadian? It literally. Oh my god. I have camera vision now. I can see anomalies. Maya, I'm controlling her tablet right now, so don't mind me.
Mommy's watching Harry Potter.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
I just said no.
Maya, see, I have camera vision. I can check the cameras. I can't actually check the wait, am I moving? I am. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, he's a visitor. Go visit room 4.
I'll show you where it is. Room 4. Nobody's in room 4.
I know. He's a visitor going into room 4.
Looks like he's one in room 5. He's not. Why are you crying to air?
I want to see this. I want to see this. Which room? Which room? 3.
4.
4? He's visiting nobody. Nah, he's visiting me. Hi, baby. Mwah.
He was literally crying.
He's visiting air.
He was literally trying to air.
You're such a baby. Baby. I have to move the dog. Lol.
Room 4 already left. He came at the wrong time.
Yeah, room 4 isn't even a thing anymore. Yeah, rooms 4 anymore.
Oopsie, stupid kid. Does he have eyes? Do you have eyes?
That's why he has glasses. Oh, my tablet's at 5%. Yours is at 3. Bro, if the recording stops, then,
What happened? Have fun talking to air. Are you in room 4?
headbanger.
No. A big one? Let me see how room 4 is.
Bro. Sorry it's so dark, guys. My tablet's, like, almost dead. He's still there. Oh, now he's coming out.
Did you have fun talking to air?
I think he was talking to a ghost. Bro was talking to a ghost.
He's crazy. Why is he so crazy, girl? Why are you so crazy? Dude, why are you so crazy?
Emergency camera down. Maya, whenever it says there's a camera down, I don't just go into the cameras because I physically can't. I I am the camera. I am the camera.
Why is he so weird?
Wait, are you able to go on the camera?
I don't know.
Go check. Check. Try.
Wow.
Try. Go into the camera. Like
Room 4? No, room 7.
Maya, this. Go to that.
I can't. There's already room 6%.
Bruh. You guys are gonna watch me do a surgery. Alright. Might have to do a part 3. It's running out of time. Okay. What the? My camera vision. Man.
Yo, I copy so badly.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
How much do you need? How much do you have?
Do you want to go? I just want
Do you? No, you don't need it. You have like 87.
84.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to do a part 3 on this, dude. My game's lagging a lot. And the time's so. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 on this. But anyways, I don't know why I paused it, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Below.
Comment below. But just telling you, I won't be able to respond to any of your comments, whether it's a short or it's a video, because I don't have like my mom's permission to go on to the chats, so yeah, I won't be able to respond to any of the messages, but just saying. Yeah, and I hope you like this video. Bye.